Yo, I know where you live.
No, you don't.
7.
What the fuck?
Yo boys, stay till the end of the video because I got some insane reactions. Yo, what's going on guys, Break Clips here. First off, I apologize for the bad audio. The mask I'm wearing right now is very thick, but I'm wearing it because I feel like it would be a bit creepier. Anyway, today I'm going to be going on Omegle and dropping people's addresses. I got some insane reactions, so make sure to stay till the end. Now obviously I didn't do anything malicious to the addresses. Nobody in this video was harmed or fucking injured or anything. I didn't take this shit too far. And everyone at the end was told this was for a video and it was a joke. But anyway, enjoy the video and yeah.
Yo, fuck, why am I Jake Paul?
Because he's a clown.
Oh, Joe. Yo, dude, I know where you live.
Do you?
Yeah.
Where then?
6. Yo, bro, I know where you live.
Where? Where? What the fuck?
Yo, dude, I know where you live.
How?
I know where you live.
Okay. Well, what's my address? What the fuck?
Yo,
Oh,
don't
God,
worry though. I'm not actually gonna do anything, bro. I just want to hang out.
Hold on, bruh. Hold on. Nah, bruh. Nobody pull up to my house.
No, dude. I swear I'm not gonna do anything. I promise.
Yeah.
Yo, I know where you live.
Where? No,
But that's what it says right here.
but that's not true. I live in Brazil.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yo, dude, I know where you live.
No freaking way. Where do I live, bro? Bro, what the
Yo, I know where you live. Dude, I know where you live.
I don't want to die. Don't kill me. What the fuck?
This is my baby snake named Meadow.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, you got a microphone, I know, but it's not working.
Mission failed.
Yo, do you have a mic?
In Fortnite?
All around me are familiar.
Yo, I know where you live.
Where?
Are you serious? Yes.
Yo, I know where you live.
No, you don't.
What the fuck?
They know our
No,
address.
that's not cool.
Go get your mom. Mom?
Yo, I know where you live.
Where?
Yo, I know where you live.
What?
I know where you live.
Okay, then where?
Yo, do you have a mic? Do you have a mic? Fuck, bro, what was that? Yo, I know where you live.
No, you don't.
Yo, I know where you live.
What?
I know where you live, man.
No, you don't. No.
Yo, I know where you live.
No, you don't.
Yo, I know where you live.
Nah, bro.
Nah, no way.
Yo, I know where you live.
Oh no, bro, chill.
6. I didn't even let me do it. He just left. Yo, I know where you live.
Where?
Yo, I know where you live.
How?
7. I just do, dude.
Where do I live? Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, do you have a mic? Yo, do you have a mic? Dude, this is what happens. People get scared of me, bro. They're racist. Yo, I know where you live.
Chill out. Dude, what the fuck? No.
Yo, you look so sexy.
Can you hear me?
So sexy.
Can you hear me?
So cute.
Are you a streamer?
Can you hear me?
Are you gonna kill me?
Yo, I know where you live.
No way. No, you don't. No, fucking.